Hello friends, in this short tutorial I will try to explain how you can merge FreeFlow Combat system with other animation blueprints or animation systems if you want that. I just opened here advanced locomotion and I opened this my system. Okay, first let's find the animation blueprint. I should say that I will not make additions in this system because I'm actually working on it right now. I'm fixing some animations here, so I just will not change anything because it will disturb my work. I will make more detailed tutorial later when I will be ready for that, but since I just have to answer the question, well, I will answer to it. Okay, I'm open at advanced locomotion and I'm open at my own animation blueprint, which can be found inside of the animations folder. First, to combine my FreeFlow Combat system with advanced locomotion, you should retarget this AnimBP, which can be done by just clicking and retargeting. After that, you should open advanced locomotions animation blueprint. Let's find it. It should be like inside of the character assets. It's ILS AnimBP. It's this. Then you get. I just did here experimental things. You don't need that. You need to open here inside of that. You need to open anim graph. Like this. This is the anim graph, and in here you need to just take this. I don't know can I copy this in there actually, but let's try. You should know that I can't copy enums. I can't copy enums because enum is not in there, but if you migrate everything, enum will be in there. So next, what you should do is just copy this. Go here and yeah, paste it in here, and locomotion states, save, cached pose, name this just locomotion cache, cache it as a locomotion cache. Use cache pose locomotion cache like this, and here use adaptive layering like this. You just do it like that. Next, what you should do is inside of here, since we cannot since this default slot, or maybe I actually, let me just slot, let me search it, and yes, it's not used by the advanced locomotion, but if, and this will work for you. Of course it will show us error because as I already said, like you will need to just create these variables, and you can't just make adaptive layering here because well, it doesn't have, I didn't migrate anything, so it will show us the error anyway, but you understand the principle. You just go to the anim graph and do the things. Okay, just, I don't want to compile. Okay, you don't do it anyway. In here I'm just showing you how this can be done. And also, of course, you will need to copy the code that kinda sets this and this inside of the update states. It's also changed right here. I'm just in the middle of development, as I already said, so is in place somewhere here. Is in place. You will need to copy this one, or maybe the entire. Yeah, you will probably need all this states, and also you probably don't need turn in place because advanced locomotion has its own turn in place. So you just take the subdata states and what inside of it, just copy it in there by creating this macro, or you can just take this entire macro and, like as you can see, and you can just copy that entire macro inside of here. Let me just paste it. Oh, nodes go not. Okay, it won't do that because I do not migrated it, and it doesn't have this enums. Enumerations does not exist in the advanced locomotion because I not migrated it. This is a quick tutorial, it's not like something. Okay, and you probably understand the idea. You just copy this and that, and this just start to work. And also I should mention that where is it? Okay, inside of the combat component it's also changed right now. So inside of the montage, combat montage, you just no, not in here. Inside of the montages, you go to the animations, you go to the combat, for example, to the attacks, and if you want to use these attacks on advanced locomotion or on other systems, you have to set here slot to it manually. By default it works with default slot, and as you can see, it does not consume it by the advanced locomotion, and it does not consume it by other locomotion systems. And also you will probably want to use some poses from here. It's combat pose, this one, and there is two different combat poses for you. So this is how you can transfer the system. Sorry for not making the whole tutorial, because the full tutorial, because actually don't want right now to change anything, because this system is not this. I'm right now in the development process, so I will not change anything right now. I will just continue to work. So what to wait and what I'm working for? Well, I'm working for the sidestep animations, and also I made a couple of different other animations which are much more which will be much more interesting in future, but I will upload them later. So let me just finish my job. Okay, that's all. If you watched this, then thank you. I hope this short tutorial will help you. If it's necessary, I will try to cover the whole transferring thing, but it will be later. Okay, that's all.